Hey, hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
Welcome to a new vlog. We are in... He's saying good morning. We're in El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. Hey! And what are we doing today?
Doing a boat tour.
Doing a typical tourist boat tour. It's gonna be fun. I've heard it's very beautiful. We got some breakfast. We're about to go to the boat and we're taking you with us. Let's go. So as you can see behind me, there are 4 different options for tours, A, B, C, and D. And in town here in El Nido, there are so many places where you can go and book your tour. They're all the same thing, they all cost the same price. It's a typical tourist tour, but we're going on tour A today. Let's go. So our first stop on this tour is Big Lagoon. Now let's quickly review what this place is like. To enter the lagoon, you need to pass through this long stretch of shallow water between these incredible limestone cliff formations. There were some boats that drove very slowly through this way, but since it was low tide, our boat didn't go in here. You can pay a small fee to rent a kayak, but we ended up just swimming to the lagoon, which did take a while, but the water was so shallow, you can actually just walk the entire way if you want. The lagoon itself is really beautiful. It's literally just a big lagoon, as they call it, and the limestone cliffs surrounding it are so cool. It is really incredible. I think they should actually call this place Wow Lagoon, because you'll probably end up saying wow about 20 times when you go here. Wow. So our next destination is called Secret Lagoon, which actually is not very much of a secret at all. We even had to wait online to get inside. I guess it's called Secret Lagoon because the only way to get inside is a little hole you need to climb through, which is actually pretty cool. And just a tip for you, if you're going in here, I'd recommend bringing some water shoes or flip-flops because the ground inside is very rocky, so it may hurt being barefoot. Our tour guide was telling us that in the morning, the water is crystal clear and so clean you could even drink it. But it gets murky from so many people peeing in it. No, I'm just kidding. It really starts clear in the morning, but it gets cloudy from people constantly walking around and the sand gets mixed up in it. Right after we left the Secret Lagoon, there's a beach right outside of it that we walked over to and had a delicious lunch prepared for us.
So ma'am and sir, before we start, I just want to telling you what kind of food we have today. Especially for the main course, we got the rices. We don't have any lobster of the day, but we got the fish, like the red snapper, we got the gambas, chicken adobo, we got some pork. Stir-fried vegetable for our vegetable, cucumber salad, eggplant salad. Pork, we got some masas as well. And of course, combination of our sauce of the day is combination of soy sauce, vinegar, onion, tomato, and a little bit of lemon. And of course, we got some fruits like sweet gold watermelon, oranges, apple, and bananas. And of course, everyone's the lunch are not complete without the 1, 2, 3 Coca-Cola. Yeah. And of course, another one is real orange and water. Refresh your mind, refresh everything. Enjoy your lunch, everyone.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, check out all these goodies. I'm about to eat all this with my face hole. And for our third stop, we're here at SHIMIZU Island. SHIMIZU Island was really nice. Well, we never actually went on the island. It's pretty much just a place to snorkel and see the marine life. So I spent about 30 minutes chasing fish around with my GoPro, and this is what I saw. For our fourth destination, we are at
Small Lagoon.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Alright, let's review what Small Lagoon is like. This is another place you can rent a kayak, but again, we just decided to swim instead. The entrance to the lagoon is pretty cool. You pass through a small hole and it opens up to a beautiful area. And oh man, those limestone cliffs, oh, they always amaze me. Check out this cave I just found. It's so cavey. Nice. One of my favorite things about this lagoon is the fish. Most of them just swim away when you go near them, but there were a few brave ones that were territorial and kind of just stared at me as if they were ready to fight. I kept exploring around and got pretty excited when I found Nemo, and I even saw a little jellyfish at one point too.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. Come here, Squishy. Come here, little Squishy.
Made it to a corner by myself. Kind of creepy over here. Ooh. Made a friend. What's your name?
Run.
Ron?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Yeah.
From here?
Yeah.
Nido. Ah, cool. Oh, shortcut? Oh, he knows a shortcut. Whoa. If I were to have a superpower, it would be to fly. And I just discovered that if you swim fast over shallow water, it kind of feels like you're flying. I believe I can fly. So we made it to our final stop. I believe this is called Seven Commandments Beach? Seven Commandments Beach? This is my new friend, Isabella. Say hi. She's the newest subscriber of this channel, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you're gonna be in the vlog, so you gotta subscribe. So let's go check out this beach. It looks beautiful. Lovely palm trees, beautiful weather. This is paradise. Wanna see what it looks like from above? Alright, we made it back to the homeland. Did you have a good day?
Very good day.
Yeah, honestly this morning we were kind of skeptical about it because this is a very touristy thing to do, and usually we try to stay away from things like that. But there is a reason it attracts many tourists. It's because you go to such beautiful places, and it really was incredible.
Turned out better than we thought.
Yeah, much better than we thought. So, this is where we're gonna end today's vlog. Tomorrow, where are we going?
Port Barton.
Port Barton, so a little bit south of here. So catch us in Port Barton in the next vlog. Peace!